Workato is an integration and automation platform that allows businesses to connect apps and automate workflows without requiring extensive coding knowledge. Here's how to use Workato effectively. Create a recipe. In Workato, workflows are called recipes. Start by creating a new recipe, which consists of triggers and actions that automate tasks between different apps. Choose Trigger App. Select the app or service that will initiate the workflow, known as the Trigger App. This could be Salesforce, Slack, Google Sheets, or any of the numerous apps supported by Workato. Set up Trigger Event. Define the specific event within the Trigger app that will start the automation process. For example, new lead created, new message posted, or new row added. Connect Trigger app. Authenticate and connect your account for the Trigger app to Workato. Follow the prompts to grant necessary permissions. Choose Action App. Select the app or service where you want to perform actions based on the trigger event. This could be another app, your CRM system, email marketing platform, etc. Set up Action Event. Specify what action should occur in the Action app when the trigger event happens. For instance, create a new contact, update a record, send an email, etc. Map data fields. Map the data fields from the Trigger app to the corresponding fields in the Action app. Ensure data is correctly mapped for accurate automation. Test and activate. Test your recipe to ensure everything functions as expected. Once satisfied, activate your recipe to start automating tasks based on the defined triggers and actions.